So guys, now we are in the college campus of the Dr. Sudhir Chandrasuri Institute of Technology. So here you can see the college campus of the Dr. Sudhir Chandrasuri Institute of Technology and Sports Complex. So now come with me towards the automobile engineering workshop. Now I am taking you to the engine lab section of our automobile workshop. So yeah, Mr. Supriyo Dhara. So he is the in charge of this lab, and I just requesting him to demonstrate of our engine section.
Welcome. This is DSCS Modern Engine Lab, equipped with all the modern engine and transmission system. And starting from here, this is a transmission system, and after that, this is a 4-cylinder, 4-stroke inline diesel engine powered by a rotary pump. These are the basic components of engine like FIP pump, cylinder block, cylinder head, tappet cover, and the last and the least, the sump, where the engine are present. This is cooling fan, this is water jackets, and these are the timing gear. This is the crankshaft. This entire engine from Mahindra & Mahindra diesel 4-stroke 4-cylinder diesel engine. After that, this is basically a modern type Hyundai BS4 4-cylinder 3-cylinder inline engine powered by a common rail direct injection. This is a U-series engine, modern U-series engine. These are the components like flywheel and the pressure plates. This is the block of the engine. This is timing part of the engine. This is tappet cover. This is a turbocharged engine basically. This is a turbocharger, catalytic converter, alternator. And these are the timing portion of the engine. This is water pump. This is alternator. This is crank pulley. This is AC pulley. These are all. Actually, this modern engine is basically used in Hyundai i10 2014 to 2016 model. Both are the same diesel engine. This is 1.1 liter U2 engine, and this is a car from Hyundai for training purpose of our student. This is a diesel engine, and all the modern BS4 computerized training system are made from here. And this is the most important part of our lab. This is a BMW 4-cylinder 4-stroke powered by twin turbo inline 2-liter diesel engine, fully aluminium block, output of 190 HP at the rate torque of 400 Nm, 1750 to 2500 RPM. This is a very modern and very latest engine used in all the 3 Series cars from BMW. And also there are 3 engines from HM Plus for practical in our lab. This is basically a diesel engine where our student open it, fixed it, and train themselves from this engine. This is a diesel one, and this is the brother of the engine. This is a petrol one. It's also a 4-cylinder 4-stroke petrol engine from HM Plus. And this is a small power plant from Maruti 3-cylinder petrol engine from all Maruti 800 vehicles. And these are some model to. This is a 4-stroke single cylinder TVS power plant where we take the combustion process, how the combustion process on when the engine is on.